story I haven't posted for a while. It became like school and then really busy and something. I was coming with an idea. I found in this game called Geometry Dash. If you've heard that game, make sure to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get started. Right, where is it? Right, I've already had a little go just to see what it's like, and it is really hard. Like, really hard. Let's get going. Well, the first thing is, well, I died to get the space marine again. Oh my god, look how hard it is already. No! No! Oh my god, I can't do this! No! Help me! No! 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 Ah! I can't die this game! Oh my god. Let's go to level 2, which I'm probably not going to. Let's go in the next video. What is going on with me? I can't even complete level 1. Is this okay? Is something wrong with me? Ah! Oh! Oh. YouTube advert. I don't want it out. And, so, yeah. If you want to get this game, look out, because it is really, really hard. Guys, I'm feeling my pajamas. I was like 3 afternoon. I want this thing. Ah! Look at the monkey. Monkey. Ah! There. Can you see that? They're like black. What are those things? I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to get on one of those, machines that can have it down. The green thing. Wow! Sorry. Ugh. I got a really good idea for the next video that I'm gonna do too. So it's gonna be like, oh my god. It's gonna be like, if I die, like the whole video. So say if I die, like then, I'll have to make a video if I die. Yeah, that's an idea. Time. Oh my god! Ah! No! I'm so sorry if I don't talk enough. I'm getting crazy. No, I can't. I keep skipping. This is so annoying. Yeah, literally beware this way. It's too difficult. Ah. I've also got this other game for the floor is lava, but it's really bad. Like, I can't do anything. Look, there's a monkey next to me. No! This is the bit I can't get through. Hopefully I do it next time. So, you know, put hashtag players in the comments. Have you done it yet? That's good. I hope you can do it now. Probably not. But it doesn't look a good amount of people that have done it. Not yet. Come on, this is it. Oh my god! Just a few more likes and a few more comments and likes, and I'll get me there, guys. So, why am I doing that? Yeah, hopefully I'll be doing like really regular videos now. Because like school and like all my friends have been coming over lately and hanging out and all that stuff. It's just like really difficult to make some videos. And I like doing videos like with my friends. So then like they're always like, and I don't want to do a video with me. So I'm like, so today I was like, oh, I don't want to do a video with me. I was just download the game and do one by myself. I can't sleep today. Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. It needs to tell me like how many attempts, attempts I've done. Because this is killing me. Like, really killing me. No! comments and likes and subscribers, and it'll help me get through this stupid level. Oh, why did I do that? I should have done something. I guess I'm more subscribers. I think I'm like 60 million things. But if I get like 30 or 40 subscribers, I might do a special. Oh my god, I never had that. No. Yeah. I wait for the thing. So, is it gonna want me yet? No, I don't want to. Oh, this one. What's this? What's this? What's this? What? 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 I need to do it like you do that. If I like don't get distracted by anything, well, if I do that, when I switch I'll do it. Or like on the I'll do it. I'm switching. Oh yeah, you have to do island, have to do. But this is really cool. You know when you say ice cream, it's almost ice cream. If you say ice cream, like ice cream, ice cream. If you get really fast, it's kind of like ice cream, ice cream. It's ice cream, ice cream. It's such a weird word, but it's a weird thing. And also, pasta is ravioli, like, ravioli yellow rice, really fast. So we can, kind of clear it out. But if you can, that's that'll be very easy. I know it. So what do they mean? Favorite muffin pad YouTuber? No. No. Whoa! Oh my god, I did it! Oh my god! Ooh, no! How do you do that then? You do that? Yeah, I'm your first muffin favorite YouTuber. Because I do and I've been off drama like this whole day. I can't do it. Right, if I get past this, if I die again, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make a video. No! Yeah. Looks like I've got to go and I've done. So I'll see you in the next video.